God bless you, everyone. This is Somnia Testnet full guide. The total funds that they have raised is currently undisclosed, and this is the video to get you properly positioned. So let us jump right into it. The first thing, as always, is a way to get started, which is my referral link you'll find in the description box of the video. And currently, these are my stats that I'm doing. I'm ranked 4 million, I'm sure. Is it million? Yeah, 45 million, I'm sure, which means there are lots of people currently digging this testnet out and you don't want to be left out. I've done a total of 682 points and I have a 7-day streak. My daily multiplier is 70% and I've completed 21 tasks. So this is going to be the guide where you understand how to interact with Somnia. But first of all, let me give you guys a stern cautionary tale. Do not do this from your mobile device. It is heavy. It is it requires a lot of compute power to display this, so I would recommend you stick to using this. Is one of such test nets where you would have to use your computer by all means necessary. So like I said, your journey begins with someone referring you, and you're going to find my referral in the description box of the video. So I'll be pasting this in the description box of the video just so that you guys can get that in and get started. Now once you're in, you need to do a couple of setups. The first setup you want to do is to set up your username to connect your Discord, connect your Telegram, connect your X, and then you can fix your profile. I haven't really done that yet, and then once you're done, you can go back to the home, and for the home you can now get into the campaigns. Now these two campaigns have been recently added, but here are some of the campaigns before now. So what we're going to do is to I'll walk you guys through what happens here. Now you see these black dashes right here. These are like the required steps, and each of these steps they have checkers where you need to like complete and claim the points. So I'm going to go into this first one right here, and I'm going to show you guys how to complete this task right here. Okay, so the first one is to connect your Telegram. You've done that. Link your username. You do that when you go to the settings and you link your Telegram username, connect your Discord, link your Twitter account, follow Somnia, and then of course the NFT booster quest. Now if we click on this NFT booster quests somewhere, okay, I can't recall, but once you go through all of these steps you would have completed it, and then you get this 70 points automatically. And you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, oh yeah, 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So all of these stacks at the end of the day will sum up and you get your 70 points. Okay, now the next task for you to quickly complete is you can quickly complete this on-chain gaming frenzy and of course the netherrack demons. So if we click into this on-chain gaming frenzy, you're going to see all the tasks you need to complete. They are basically social tasks. You need to like and retweet X. Remember, for you to complete, you need to go into your settings and connect your X, your Twitter account, and that will be on. And then you follow the sequence on X and then like and retweet, and you get 60 points. Currently 78,000 persons have done this, 78,000 plus. Now if you go back, you're going to see the one for the netherrack demons. Now for netherrack demons, here is what you need to do as well. Basically social tags, follow on X, retweet, and then join Discord. And then if we go back, you see this Yap. Now we all remember Yap, and currently there's a new meta. The meta is when you talk about projects creatively, originally, you are going to get rewarded for creating content for projects, whether or not you're officially in their official ambassador programs. The way it works is you need to head over to Kato, and on Kato you need to connect your account. You need to first of all link your account. I'm going to leave this in the description box of the video. so that you guys can set up your accounts on Kato, and then from then on going forward, every single time you put out a content about these projects, you will be, getting tractions. Now you can see, for instance, these guys are the top 20 on the Thrive Protocol Yapa leaderboard, which means these guys are talking about this project. And if we click into this Hell Rider, for instance, and we see what he's doing, he's essentially talking about the project and he's getting engagements, and these engagements are real, they attract. He currently has 11 smart followers. So if we click into his own Twitter account and see how he puts his content out, and when he writes about this project, we'll just get in there and leave one or two comments, right? So I'm gonna follow this guy, and funny enough, this guy is under 4,000 followers, but yet he seems he's definitely doing something right. Definitely doing something right. So let's look for the post he's talking about. He's talking about Thrive Protocol, because Thrive Protocol is tracking him leading as the leading content creator on X. And what I'm going to do is to go back up and do a search, and I would say Thrive, like so. Okay. Funny thing is, there are no contents he has actually put out touching Thrive Protocol. Or am I missing something? Am I missing something? Okay, so then I think I know what this guy is doing. He's essentially engaging with he's essentially responding to other people's chats, and that's how he's getting tractions. So you can either go into the comments of these guys and respond to whatever they say, or you can actually create content from scratch. And at the end of the day, this guy is still like tracked #1. So which means for Thrive Protocol, the rewards that will be rewarding creators or yappas whom are called on Kato, he's going to be getting rewards because he is definitely at the top. He is definitely at the top. Okay. Anyway, let us go back to the reason why we're here. Now you need to connect your account, like I said, and then get in. Currently it's just 89 people yapping about Somnia. So if we go back to Kato and we'll look for Somnia. So here is Somnia right here, and we can just check the leaderboard for Somnia and see the 89 persons or the top 50 persons that are tracked. Okay, so I'll go back here. It's still loading. Are we up? Okay, no, we're not. We'll just go and continue. And then here is week 1, here is week 2, and you get 50 points. Now the next one is the Somnia Playground. This one is really heavy. Okay, you need to create one world on the Somnia Playground. This is it right here. I have been trying to create mine for a while now, and I've not been able to. You can see the graphic intensity of this stuff. Now this is the avatar, and you need to mint this avatar, and then you also now need to create. I've been trying to generate this for some time now, but it's not been going. So the point here is you need to use a system with high specifications, and then of course you need to invite at least 2 people to your world. So when I'm done creating, I will come back to the description of this video and I'm going to update it with the invite for you guys to join my world. And of course you need to follow OX Playground on X, explore one world with the Somnia Playground, and of course mint the Somnia avatar for the playground, which is this one I'm trying to mint right here. Okay, so when you go through all of these stacks, 1.4 million people have actually done this. You're going to get 470 points, and that is where I'm currently working on. Okay, So that's essentially how it goes. And then of course a dark table, you complete this, you get 60 points. And lastly, you can act like I mentioned, you guys should join the K2 team when you join K2 team. So this is the Yappa leaderboard for Somnia currently, and you can see the top guys. So what we can do is to look at what these guys are doing. I will try to scrape out one of the chat, one of their contents that they put out. This guy has 50,000 plus followers. This guy has just 2,064. This guy has 592 followers. What is he doing? For real, like, what is he doing? Because it is not really, yes, the size of your following matters, but of course you need to have smart followers, and there is something these guys are doing, and that's what I'm trying to figure out. That's what I'm trying to, and this guy is ranked number 4, strangely. Anyway, in order for you to pass, so there are basically 2 ways to earn from Somnia. Number 1 is to interact on the testnet, stack up your points, and you get rewards. Number 2 is to come over to Kato, connect your Twitter account, set it up. I'll leave my referral link in the description box of the video, and then you can just start engaging and creating content about Somnia, posting on X, and these attract. Yeah, these attract. Okay, interesting. So I think this guy, I know this guy on X, and then this is our guy. So this guy is always responding to people's tweets. Yeah, I see. So he's basically responding to people's tweets, like replying tweets about Somnia. So that's essentially what he's doing. So you just find tweets of top guys and then comment on those tweets, and that's essentially all you need to do. So thank you guys for watching. That's all. Oh, one last quest I did not touch on is the Somnia Testnet Odyssey socials. Is it the one? Okay, no. There's a test where, okay, sharing and caring. Okay, cool. This is the one. So you're going to request and receive Somnia Testnet tokens from one or more members, and then of course you're going to request and get it, and then you're going to send. So when your request is one, when you request and you get the tokens, you're going to go to another link. Right, you're going to go to another link. So if I click on this, we should see the place here. So you visit this link, connect your wallet, and click on request, and then you're going to get you're going to use the Explorer, the block Explorer, like your BSC scan or Ether scan, to search for your wallet address, and then copy the receiver hash. So you're going to copy the hash, transaction hash for you requesting the tokens, and you're going to send to another Ethereum wallet, and then get the transaction hash for that wallet as well. And when you're done, you just come here, paste your hash for the sending task, submit it to verify, come here, click on completed, it to verify as well, come here for the receive, paste in the receiving hash, submit as well, and you should get 45. So that is all. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.